Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you one of the most affordable way to make Asiebi Bridal Handfan from scratch. So I will be teaching you how to create the base and then the handfan. If you are new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe, quickly hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. For this tutorial, I'll be needing feathers. This particular feathers measures about 15 inches and that is all I'm going to be needing for this tutorial. So with this method, you can use one pack of feathers to make 4 or even 5 Asiebi Handfan, depending on how full or scanty the pack of feather is. I will also be needing satin fabric to cover the base of the handfan. You may want to use lining fabric. I will be needing my scissors, a razor blade, and then some trimmings or patches to embellish the handfan. I would also be needing candle wax. You may want to use hot glue gun. Then I will be needing a paper tape, evosic gum, and an old toothbrush to apply the gum. You may want to use a 7000 gum or UHU gum, scissors to cut, a pen, a round shape object. The size of the round shape object depends on how big or small you want the handfan to look. Then I'll be needing Cariboard. Cariboard can be gotten from a shoemaker shop in the market. If you can't get Cariboard, you can use a thick carton to make your base. So I started off by placing the round shape object on the Cariboard, and then I use my pen to rule the round shape, after which I'll be using my scissors to cut out that round shape. After cutting out the excess Cariboard, I'm going to fold this Cariboard into 2 equal halves to form a semicircle. Then I will open it up and apply the evosic gum generously. I will set that aside and leave to dry for about 2 minutes. Now I will get the remaining Cariboard and I will use it to cut the handle of the handfan. Please note that there is no specific measurement for this. So for the sake of those that want to know my exact measurements, the width is about 3.5 inches and the length is 9 inches. So I will cover that up first. Can you see? Then I'll get the Cariboard I'll be using for the handle and I'll fold like so. Please watch what I'm doing on the screen. So I'll fold like so. After folding, I will get my paper tape to hold that down. I divided the paper tape into 2 equal halves from the middle with my razor blade. Okay, so the essence of doing that is to enable me fold this with ease. Okay, can you see that? This is what I've got it for my handle, and it's now time to attach it to the base. I'll get my razor blade and then I'll use it to cut this part. Can you see the way I'm cutting it? Please use a sharp razor blade and don't cut it too deep. Ensure you are cutting it from the middle. After cutting, you open that up and then you place it like so. Can you see? Now I will get my candle wax or hot glue gun, and then I will apply it to that part to attach the handle to the base of the hand fan. I wanted something very small for the base, hence I have to use a smaller round shape object. So if you want your base to be bigger than mine, you may want to use a bigger round shape object. So what I'm doing basically now is to use the lighter to melt the gum, after which I'll use it to attach the handle to the base. And once that is done, I have my base. You may want to reduce the length of the handle if yours is too long. Then this is a semicircle base. This is a circular base. If you want a circular base, you have to cut two Cariboard hearts and then you double it. But for me, I'll be working with this particular base. Now I will get my satin or lining fabric to cover the base up. As you can see on the screen, I'm applying the evosic gum to one side of the hand fan base, after which I will cover with the satin fabric. So I'll cover like so, and then I'll cut out the excess fabric. If you have made it this far to this part of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. So after cutting out the excess fabric, I'm going to notch that part to enable me fold in the excess fabric. So as you can see, I left about half an inch to fold in. So I'll notch that now, and then I'll just fold in like so. Once that is done, I will apply gum to the other side of the hand fan base, and I will also cover it up with satin fabric. Now I'll cut out the excess fabric using my scissors, and after cutting out the excess fabric, I will apply my gum and then I'll fold in the excess fabric. So you just take your time and watch what I'll be doing on the screen. After covering the base, I will also get another fabric to cover the handle of the hand fan base. The base of my hand fan is ready and I'm about to attach the feathers. So I will get the feathers. Like I said earlier, the length of the feathers is 15 inches. I will divide the feathers into two equal half. Then on one side of the hand fan base, I will apply my gum like so. After applying the gum, I will place the feathers on the base like so. So you have to turn this, okay? So the part that is not slipping will be facing upward like so. I will also turn to the other side of the hand fan. I will apply my gum and then I will place the feathers on it and press it down. To cover this part up, I will apply gum. Then after, I will place the trimmings on the hand fan base. Can you see that? I will also extend it to the back side. You may want to cut that first and then you start attaching it from the back, or you can just extend it. Okay, so just extending it like that was not that neat, so I decided to cut that off and then I'll come here. I will apply my gum and then I will place it on here. Okay, so I believe this is better and it enables the trimmings to lap very well. After covering the base of the hand fan with feathers and trimmings, I will also cover the handle of the hand fan with trimmings. I'm using this particular trimmings to cover the handle. You may want to use the other trimmings or any other trimmings to cover it up, but I'm using this particular one. So I just applied gum to that tip and then I placed the tip of the trimmings on it and then I'm folding it like so. If you got value from watching this video, please endeavor to like this video, comment on the video, and also share the video with your friends and loved ones. And if you are yet to subscribe, quickly click on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. And this is the finished look of our Asiebi Bridal Handfan. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in our next tutorial.